Hello beautiful people, it's Yvette Corinne and welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a haul in a while. I'm very excited about this one. We are doing like loungewear from Vuori. If you've been interested in the store and you never purchased from there or you just wanted to see what the clothes is about, then this video is going to be for you. I did a haul maybe a couple years ago. I'll link it up here for you guys, and this is more so just like a wintry sweat set haul. So if you are somebody who likes to be cozy, comfy, elevated casual, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off with this sweatshirt. It is the Restore Mini Crew and I love it so much. I have it in two colors. Let me show you guys why it's so good. It is like a cropped sweatshirt. I like that it has like a little curve and it's super comfortable. I don't know, it's something, I'm wearing a size medium. It's something about like how it feels, like the placement of everything. It's just perfect. Let me stand up so you guys can get a full oomph of it. Here it is perfect. Just like a plain black sweatshirt. I also have it in the bone color. I'm going to show you guys the full outfit, but yes, I'm wearing a size medium. So comfy, so cozy. And my husband bought me the bone set for Christmas, and after that I was like, I love this sweatshirt. I wore this sweatshirt with jeans, with other bottoms, and so he went back and got me the wash black. So love it. Let's get to the second outfit. Okay, this is that same sweatshirt in another color. This one you can see it a little bit better. This is the bone heather. Again, I have a size medium. Now I feel like you can really get like the full picture. It is so cute. Like the fit in the back, the way it crops. It's just such a cute, chill, elevated sweat set. And I'm wearing the ultra wide leg sweatpants that match in a size medium as well. They're very long. They fit very well. They're just perfect. And the crop is just so cute. Since I've got this sweat set, I have worn it maybe 3 times, and I just got it for Christmas. So not even a full month, but I'm already so in love with this set. So comfortable, and I've already gotten so many compliments on it. So money well spent. I really love black, so I got a lot of stuff in black because I think it's just easier to wear. But the next item is this halo cardigan. I love it. I actually got a size small. Could have gone up to a medium just for my boobs and to make sure I don't have that little pulling at the button, but I already got it. I got a small. I love it. I'm wearing it. It's a little cropped, as you can see, but it's really cute. I'm wearing it with the halo wide leg pants, and I wear these pants with so many things. I just love these pants. They're comfortable. They look chic. This is like my go-to airport outfit. So cute, so easy to wear, and very comfortable, especially in the airport. And I'm covered up, like not too cold, fully covered, throw a little jacket on. We're cute. This is one of my favorite outfits. This cardigan comes in a few different colors. Halo cardigan 2.0. I did see they came out with another cardigan just like this, but it's a little bit longer because I guess everybody didn't like the crop. So if you're not somebody who's into the crop, they have a longer version of this same cardigan. Okay, so I also have the performance set. So this is a performance jacket. It zips all the way up, all the way down. I don't have anything underneath it, but it's a full jacket, has pockets, very comfortable. Same material as the performance joggers. I am wearing the performance joggers. I have them in this like blue color. I'm not even sure if they have this exact color anymore, but they have this in a few different colors. They have the jogger in several different colors. I have them in a couple. I have like a gray pair, I like a tan pair, and I love them. So this is one of my like easy cozy sets. It's not as thick as the other ones I showed you, but it's still like an easy loungewear, something you can wear around the house or if you're running errands and you want to be put together. Okay, so the light has changed because my camera died and I had to charge it for a bit, but sorry about that. Last but not least, I wanted to share this hoodie. This is the Restore hoodie. It literally is just a sweatshirt with no pockets. It's like this, kind of long. It's the Restore oversized hoodie. I'm wearing a size small. I kind of wish I would have got a medium just so it can be a little bit looser, but it looks fine. I think I got a small because it was oversized, has a hood. Yeah, it's just really chill. Again, soft. I really like this hoodie with like a trench coat or a leather jacket on top of it, and like the hood is over it. Another just like casual thing to wear. And then I am wearing the daily leggings. Let me show you guys. These are the daily leggings. I love these. They have this little tie right here. They actually come in several colors, but I just got the black ones. Again, y'all, I love black. but you see how high waist they are. I think I got a size medium in these, and they just fit really, really well. Let me scoot back so you guys can see the length. Very long, very nice material. Really good for yoga, or if you're just somebody who likes to wear leggings. I thought this would be just like a cute chill outfit. Y'all, I live in the East Coast, and so it gets cold, so I would pretty much be wearing this whole outfit with Uggs. But yeah, chill, cute, comfortable. I do have another sweat set that is not available anymore. It's the Restore sweat set. I think it's Restore. I will link it though. The half zip that matches the sweatpants. The half zip, they do have a bunch of those. I have a couple of colors. I think I have the gray and the chia and the half zip. Love, 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 love. Half zip because it's like a little collar, easy to wear. But yeah, hopefully this haul was helpful to anybody who is shopping Vuori. I just wanted to share some of my winter favorites because I know I shared a full haul when I first got a bunch a couple years ago. I went hard, and then I've just been adding one ever since. So hope this video was helpful. I'll have all the links in the description, and I'll have my size and everything that I'm wearing in the description as well. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.